Credit One Bank Platinum Visa Review. Is it good for rebuilding credit? Today, I tested it out and here's what happened. And if you're trying to rebuild credit and keep seeing this card offered as an option, this will help you understand quickly whether it actually helps or causes more problems. The Credit One Bank Platinum Visa is aimed at people with poor or limited credit. It is designed to give access to a credit line when most traditional cards say no. The main purpose is credit rebuilding, not rewards or perks. Getting approved is usually easier than with standard cards. That is why many people see it during credit checks or pre-approval offers. Once approved, the card works like any normal Visa card and can be used anywhere Visa is accepted. The most important feature is credit reporting. The card reports payment activity to the major credit bureaus. That means paying on time every month can help build a positive credit history. This is the main reason people consider it in the first place. However, costs matter a lot here. Many versions of this card come with annual fees, monthly fees, or both. Some fees may be charged right away, which can reduce your available credit before you even make a purchase. This makes managing the card carefully very important. Credit limits are usually low. That can help with control, but it also means it is easy to use too much of the limit. Keeping balances low is key. Using only a small portion of the limit and paying it off each month helps credit scores more than maxing it out. Interest rates are high. This means carrying a balance can get expensive fast. The card works best when used for small purchases that are paid off in full every month. Using it like a loan is where problems start. Customer experience is mixed. Some people use the card successfully and build credit. Others struggle with fees and unexpected charges because they did not fully understand the terms. Reading statements closely and setting up payment alerts makes a big difference. There are no meaningful rewards. This card is not meant for earning cashback or points. It is strictly a credit building tool. So who is this card best for? It fits people who cannot qualify for better options and are disciplined enough to manage fees and payments carefully. It is usually a short-term solution, not a long-term card to keep forever. Is it good for rebuilding credit? It can be, but only if used correctly. On-time payments help. High balances and missed payments hurt. The key is control. When used lightly, paid on time, and monitored closely, the Credit One Bank Platinum Visa can help rebuild credit. When used without planning, fees and interest can quickly outweigh the benefit.